If you're considering replacing your windows in West Jordan, Utah, you're making a smart investment that can enhance the comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal of your home. Choosing the right window replacement company is crucial to getting the most value from your investment. Here's a guide to help you find the best window replacement companies in West Jordan. Start by identifying your needs. Before you start searching for window replacement companies, it's essential to understand what you need. Are you replacing windows to enhance energy efficiency, improve the aesthetics of your home, or reduce outdoor noise? Knowing your goals will help you filter through potential companies based on their expertise and product offerings. Ask for recommendation. A good starting point is to ask friends, family, or neighbors who have recently had their windows replaced. Their experiences can provide valuable insight into the professionalism, workmanship, and reliability of the companies they hire. Word of mouth is a powerful tool in finding reputable service providers. Check online reviews and ratings. A quick online search can reveal a lot about window replacement companies in West Jordan. Visit websites such as Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, to read customer reviews and ratings. Look for companies with consistently positive reviews, and pay attention to how they respond to negative feedback. A company that professionally handles complaints demonstrates a commitment to customer satisfaction. Evaluate experience and expertise. When it comes to window replacement, experience matters. Companies with a long history in the industry are more likely to have a proven track record of quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. Ask potential contractors how long they have been in business and if they specialize in specific window types or brands. Verify licenses and insurance. Ensure the company you hire is licensed and insured to operate in Utah. A valid license confirms that the company complies with state regulations, while insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents or property damage during the installation process. Ask to see proof of their license and insurance coverage before signing any contracts. Look for energy-efficient options. Energy efficiency is a significant consideration for many homeowners in West Jordan, given the hot summers and cold winters. Choose a window replacement company that offers energy-efficient options, such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. Ask about the energy ratings of their products and whether they meet Energy Star guidelines, which can help you save on utility bills over time. Request multiple quotes. Reach out to at least 3 different companies for quotes. Compare their pricing, but remember that the lowest price is not always the best deal. Be sure to consider factors like product quality, warranties, installation timelines, and customer service when making your decision. Detailed, itemized quotes will help you understand what you're paying for and avoid unexpected costs later on. Ask about warranties. A reputable window replacement company will stand behind their work and products with a warranty. Ask about the warranty's duration and what it covers, e.g., defects, labor, installation. A comprehensive warranty can provide peace of mind and protect your investment for years to come. Assess customer service from your first interaction with a window replacement company. Pay attention to their level of customer service. Are they responsive to your questions and concerns? Do they take the time to explain the process, or do they rush you into making a decision? A company that values good communication and customer satisfaction is more likely to deliver a positive experience. Check for certifications and partnerships. Look for companies that have certifications from industry organizations, such as the National Fenestration Rating Council, NFRC, or partnerships with leading window manufacturers. These certifications often indicate a commitment to high standards of quality and expertise. Visit showrooms and see products in person. If possible, visit the company's showroom to see their product offerings and discuss your options with a knowledgeable representative. This can help you get a better feel for the quality of their windows and make a more informed decision. Trust your gut. Lastly, trust your instincts. If something feels off during your interactions with a particular company, or if you feel pressured, it may be best to move on. Reputable companies will respect your time and allow you to make an informed decision without unnecessary pressure. Final thought. Finding the best window replacement company in West Jordan takes time, research, and careful consideration. By following these steps and focusing on experience, quality, and customer service, you can ensure that you select a company that meets your needs and delivers beautiful, durable windows for your home. A wise choice now will pay off with increased comfort, reduced energy costs, and a more attractive home for years to come.